How to delete iPhone contacts. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the first step on this video tutorial. So the first step on this video tutorial is to proceed on going to the contacts icon on this iPhone. So we're going to go to our contacts page or the contacts icon. So as you can see here, this is the contacts page on the iPhone. So in here, the first option in deleting a contact in iPhone is to either search the contact you want to delete, or you can locate it by scrolling up and down on which contact you're going to delete. So in here, you just once you've selected the ones you will delete, you just have to click long press and then click delete contact and then proceed to delete contact. And then after that, there's also another option where you have to go to the contact info and then scroll down, and in the last part of scrolling down there is an option of delete contact. So in order for that to be deleted, you have to click the delete contact and then proceed to delete contact again. So that is how you delete the contacts in your iPhone. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you'll be able to learn on deleting your contacts in your phone. Thank you and have a good day.